Hello everyone, so today we have 3 to the power of s times 3 to the power of s equals to 36 and x is the unknown. We're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. The first principle to apply will be a to the power of m times a to the power of n, which is represented as a to the power of m plus n. In the case of the multiplication of the same base, their powers are therefore added. That is, here the base are 3, so we are going to write 3 and x plus x. This is equals to 36, and we are fine. And to do this very well, we can say 3x plus x, that is 2x, is equals to 36. So here we're going to take log to base 10 on both sides, so that log 3 to the power of 2s will be equals to log 36. Thank you for watching this video, and please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscription button to subscribe, and also like this video so that we can get more visibility. Alright, so let's continue. So here we're going to bring the power down, that is 2s log 3 will be equals to log 36. So if we divide both sides by log 3 over log 3, also here over log 3, here log 3 will cancel out. What will be left will be 2x will be equals to log 36 all over log 3. So 36 can be written 9 times 4, and 9 can be written in an index form as 3 to the power of 2, and also 4 can be transformed to 2 to the power of 2. So the next line becomes 2s will be equals to log 3 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2, close the bracket, all over log 3. But log a times b is represented as log a plus log b, and this is the form of this. And if we apply it here, 2s therefore will be equals to log 3 to the power of 2 plus log 2 to the power of 2 all over log 3. And if we write this in the separate fraction, so 2s will becomes log 3 to the power of 2 plus log 2 to the power of 2 all over log 3. Again here over log 3. So in the next step, we're going to bring the power down so that 2s will be equals to 2 log 3 over log 3 plus 2 log 2 all over log 3. Here log 3 will cancel out, so that 2x will therefore be equals to 2 plus 2 log 2 over log 3. If we divide both sides by 2, the next line becomes 2x over 2 will be equals to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3 also over 2. So that 2 will cancel 2 here. What is left is x equals to 2 all over 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3 all over 2 in separate fractions. So here 2 cancels 2, s will therefore be equals to 1 plus these 2 also will cancel these 2. What is left is log 2 base of 3. To verify this, from the original equation, 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of s is equals to 36. Here we arrived at 3 to the power of 2x equals to 36. And to substitute our value for x, the next line becomes 3 to the power of 2 into 1 plus log 2 base of 3. Can this be equals to 36? But a to the power of n to the power of m is represented as a to the power of n times m. So if we agree on this one, we can therefore allow the 2 to open up the bracket, that is 3 to the power of 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 times log 2 base 3 is 2 log 2 base of 3. Can this be equals to 36? 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 log 2 base of 3. Can this be equals to 36? So if we do this very one, the next line becomes 3 to the power of 2 plus log 2 to the power of 2 base of 3. Can this be equal to 36? But a to the power of m plus n can be represented as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So the next line becomes 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of log 2 power of 2 base 3. Can this be equals to 36? But a log b base of a is equals to b. That is 3 log of 2 to the power of 2 base of 3 also will be equals to 2 to the power of 2. So here, what is left is 3 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2. Can this be equals to 36? And 3 to the power of 2 is 9, and 2 to the power of 2, that's 9 times 4. Can this be equal to 36? And of course, 9 times 4 is equals to 36. Thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to click on the subscription button. See you in our next video. Bye bye.